Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be taking a look at how to use Vistacreate. Now Vistacreate allows us to create any design, and this is what we have or what we can see in the opening page right here. So we can go ahead and select any type of designs that we have. So there are, as you can see right here, it says that there are thousands of formats and designs that we can search. So these can be Facebook post, a square graphic post, Instagram story, Instagram post. And if you can take a look at here, you can take a look at what our preferences are or the type of filters that we want to take through. So these can be WhatsApp status, flyer, poster, presentation, a zoom background, so pretty much anything that you can think of in terms of a design. Now if we go down, you can see all of the different featured templates, some newest things, even podcast covers, Instagram posts, and many more. So just go ahead and explore through all of this. These are different templates that you can use. Now of course, the more that you use Vistacreate, the more you'll be able to see things that are tailored towards you. But go ahead and just explore all of these out. Now if we take a look at the one on the top right here, so that is the home page that we have, but we also have the templates page. So the templates page right here allows us to take a look at every single thing that you can think of in a more categorical or easier to find items right here. So say for example that you want to take a look at some TikTok videos, you want to create a design for TikTok video, then you can go ahead and take a look at all of that right here. Again, it's all pretty much searchable, so you can take a look for templates, take a look at photos, vectors, and videos as well. So this entire thing allows us to search pretty much anything. In here, in the creative asset, so if you are struggling to look for royalty-free images, this is where you can take a look at them. So as you can see here, it's royalty-free stock photos. So that means that you can use these to your own personal needs and go ahead and use them. So these can be photos, it could be vectors, which are like more designs, or even videos themselves right here. So again, go ahead and use this. And of course, if you are very new to Vistacreate, there are some pretty good tutorials as well that allows you to get started with everything. So in here, this takes a look at how to create your own basic design, from creating a logo to pretty much creating a design of your own self. And then we have some most popular tutorials right here, which is how to get started, how to remove backgrounds. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to do all of this. But one final thing is to take a look at the brand kits right here. So imagine that you have your own logo or your brand and you want to design it. So this is the section that you'd want to generate, so that when you want to say create a poster or something, then you can add in your own personal branding into it through the designs that you have done in here, which is pretty cool. And finally here in the My Projects, this is where everything is stored, every single thing that you have done when it comes to any designs that you have made. So this could be creative assets as well. The nice thing as well is that you have a post planner right here. So say for example that you are a marketing or even a social media or content creator, and then you create loads of designs for those, then you can go ahead and connect your account, and then you could then schedule your own posts up to when you will post them. So you can pretty much sit down, create multiple designs, and then you can go ahead and plan as to when you will post those right here. Now let's go ahead and create something with our Vistacreate. So say for example, let's see here that I want to create a Instagram reel cover right here. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then we will then get to see the editor. So as you can see here on this section, so it will give you a bit of a tutorial, of course, but on this section you have the templates. Uploads is photos that you have uploaded, different photos, royalty free videos, royalty free music, any objects that you want to add in, the background itself right here, adding text, again, different styles, and then branding as we have mentioned earlier on, that we have generated. So let's go ahead and look for a template. So for example, let's see, let's take a look at this one right here. And this is the original design that we have. And as you can see here, you could pretty much edit any of these out. So, the title, the subtitle, the text here, even the bone itself, you could play around with the website, even the dog. So say for example that I want to change the dog that we have. So all we're gonna do is go into photos right here on the left side, and then I want to type in, I still want a pug, so let's try different pugs images right here. You see it? These are all really cute. I quite like this one. I like his bow. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click on this, and then that automatically puts it into our image, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be clicking on this pug and then removing him, but I want this pug here, right here. Look at that smile. All right, so as you can see here, we have a bit of a problem because we have a white background on this image. So we can either change our image right here, as you can see, or we can either use this remove background feature. But as you can see, this is on a non-free version, so it's on a more premium aspect. So you can either pay for unlocking this feature, or you can go ahead and try a 14-day free trial, but of course you would need to add in your credit details for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something else. I am actually gonna do something a little bit more cheeky, which is to just make the background white right here. And then as you can see, this is all blocking out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and right click here and then send the image back right here, so that this one is put in the front. There you are. Awesome. So again, just go ahead and just edit things out in here. So say for example, I want to change this to let's call this Pugsley and Co, or something like that. So pugsleyandco.com. And then as you can see here, it's just gone past it. So just go ahead and extend this out, and then I'm gonna click on this, click on this, click on this, and click on this, and I want to align all of them out. So I'm gonna go up here and then click align, and then I want it aligned in the middle. There you are, so that everything is all aligned. So as you can see here, you can pretty much do anything that you want. So say for example that we want to change this into a much better text. So we're gonna go to the text section, and then just go ahead and look through. Say for example, we have this one right here. So let's go ahead and remove this, and then move this group up right here. Okay. So it's separated it into different groups. That's interesting. Let's just keep these ones. So I'm just gonna remove this and then edit this one. So let's call it pugs, and then this one, let's change this to and co. Here you are. All right, that's already a pretty cool kind of logo, as you can see. And of course, food and accessories, it's more on food for our little guy right here. All right, so let's go ahead and look for treats right here. So I'm gonna click on photos. Let's change this, and then let's type this in. Say this one. So I'm gonna bring this here and then put it in the middle, resize again, right, a bit more, probably like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and send this backwards a bit more, send it back. Okay, I see. Okay, of course, that's not gonna work because our little guy right here has that white background. Let's see if we can, with our little guy, add in a mask. So say we have this one. What does that look like? Here you are. Let's change that mask a bit more. Something much better. Let's add a heart. What does that look like? Look at that. Here you are. Awesome. Alright. So, as you can see, that's a possible design that you can have. So pretty much, you just go ahead and explore through all of this. So this is an Instagram Reel cover. And say, for example, that you want to add more pages, you can just go ahead and click on this right here. It allows you to create a new page or a new design. So say, for example, if you want to have multiple designs onto one saved place, you can go ahead and do that. So if you want to change the name of this, so say, for example, these are my doggy treats design, then you can go ahead and do that. So say, for example, this is design 1 for the first month, then you want to add a new one, you can go ahead and do that. Again, just go ahead and design them. Go ahead and explore, different designs. Right here there are some templates again that you can use. So we have this. Let's replace this right here, change our dog. So go ahead and this, we'll put it here, something, but let's send him backwards. Here you are. So you can pretty much design whatever that you can think of. So again, you have your first design, and then here's another design. If you want to change your background, you can go ahead and do that. So go ahead and explore through all of your different designs right here. So again, this is just for the Instagram post itself. Again, with Vistacreate, you can go ahead and explore different ones right here. So for YouTube thumbnail, for a logo, you can go ahead and see all of that. If you go back to my projects right here, as you can see, we have our Instagram Reel cover right here, and then you can go ahead and export it, duplicate it, go ahead and take a look at each ones that you have. So as you can see here, it's not just to do with social media. It could be for blogging, animated designs, covers, headers, marketing materials, advertisings, events, and even custom designs. So feel free to explore through each one. And again, your imagination is your limit, so it's pretty much limitless. Go ahead and explore through each of the different templates that we have, and I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. We will see you guys next time.